Well, my dear friends, heartiest welcome to 4th Global Festival of Journalism, Noida 2016. What an excitement. Trust me, I'm so happy, so excited because this is one concept which we thought 4 years back. And when we were thinking about it, to my own surprise, I realized that there is no festival on this earth keeping in mind the journalism. There may be hundreds of festivals pertaining to cinema, films, but there was no one which is emphasizing the journalism. Way back, 5 years back, we created one organization called International Journalism Center, and we simultaneously declared 12th February as the International Day of Journalism. Let me first extend my heartiest congratulations to each and everyone on this most auspicious day, 12th February, the International Day of Journalism. Big clap for all of you. Anybody who's trying to be in media, somebody who's already in media, somebody who's trying to get into the heights of media, yes, this day is going to matter. If not today, trust me, tomorrow, this day will be treated as one of the biggest day in the field of journalism. Well, International Journalism Center, the idea of creating this body was to bring in all the journalists and journalistic associations under one roof so that we can bring in love, peace and unity through journalism. है ना मजे की बात कि सोच रहे हैं हम बिजनेस की बात है, प्रमोट हम जर्नलिज्म को कर रहे हैं, लेकिन घूम घाम के हम सोशल इशू पे आके फंसते हैं या अटकते हैं या पहुंचना चाहते हैं, जिसे कहें लव, पीस एंड यूनिटी थ्रू जर्नलिज्म. वेल, IGC, International Journalism Center, 12th February, and then ultimately to mark respect to this day, we decided to start a festival of journalism. And today we are opening the 4th Festival of Journalism. Never ever in the world it has happened like this. So I am very happy that today on this very first event of 4th Global Festival of Journalism, we have with us Mr. Ajay Kumar ji, a very senior journalist and now director of the School of Journalism of Asian School of Media Studies. We have with us Mr. Puneet Jindal, the marketing head of Asian Education Group. We have with us Mr. Vipin Gaur, a very well-known journalist and also the General Secretary of Newspaper Association of India. We have with us Dr. A.K. Srivastava, a very well-known educationist and Director General of Asian School of Media Studies. We have with us Sushil Bharti, a well-known journalist, also the head of Radio Noida and now Festival Director of 4th Global Festival of Journalism. And we have with us filmmaker Ashok Tyagi from Mumbai and also the Secretary General of International Chamber of Media and Entertainment Industry. My dear friends, yes, this festival, before I speak about the other things, let me invite all the delegates and the important people of the dais to please come forward and light this auspicious lamp.
गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
So this particular session, which is for 39 minutes documentary, which we are going to show here, is going to be a Smile Pinky. This is first film which got an Oscar documentary made in India, especially in Meerut, UP, in Noida. And the most important thing is that we are directly associated with this film which we brought Oscar to India for the first time. And the most important thing is that the post-production, the editing and the graphics and animation is done by our own former student and a part of Marva Studio, and that is our dear friend Abhinav.
Today, we all gathered here for celebration of Global Journalism Day. The day has been announced 4 years back by President of Marwaha Group, Sri Sandeep Marwaha ji, and this day it is being perceived, rather it is happening, is going to be celebrated across the country, and in very near future we expect that the day will be celebrated across the globe. It's a day when all the students and all the media professionals are supposed to gather at one platform and make the day auspicious, eventful and great. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Good morning, all of you. Thanks a lot to this committee who selected this film onto the 12th International Day of Journalism for the opening film, A Smile Pinky, which won an Oscar in 2008. In this film, a small girl, Pinky, she was a very poor girl, बहुत गरीब लड़की थी और उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे कि वो अपने इलाज करा सके. So this film is basically dedicated to a social cause, a style of a filmmaking जो कि आप लोग शायद सीख सकें. And this film has won the first Oscars for the India. Thanks a lot to this institution and especially Sandeep sir, who go out of the way to help to this film for broadcasting and packaging of this film. Thanks a lot, and I hope you will enjoy this film. I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations and thanks to all of the team on behalf of Smile Train Foundation, on behalf of Mr. Ajay Kalra, who is the Asia Pacific head of Smile Train Foundation, for selecting and honoring this film as the opening film in this festival. Thank you.